Hello, and welcome to JustFiction Edition's online book creator. So you finally finished that fictional work and are looking for a modern publisher to help your story get discovered worldwide. Well, the good news is that you've done all the hard work now, and you can relax and allow our simple but powerful online book creator to design, publish, and market a book that you can be proud of. Again, our services are completely free of charge and will not cost you a single cent. Step 1. Simply head over to JustFiction-Edition.com. Next, click on the Publish Now button. You've now entered our online book creator. Before we dive in, you can check out our author-friendly publishing agreement here. In this PDF document, you will find everything you need to know regarding author royalties, your rights to republish the work anytime, as well as our flexible cancellation policy. It's a light and simple read, so do check it out. Once you're ready, just click Let's Get Started. This is the front cover screen, and as you might have guessed, this is where you can make a professional cover for your manuscript. Simply fill in the book title. In my case, it's The Galactic Field, along with the subtitle, which is A Farmer's Daughter is Humanity's Only Hope, and then enter the author's name. This magnum opus was written by Usama Naveed. We can click here to credit up to 2 co-authors. But this novel doesn't have co-authors, so I'll leave this blank for now. Now for my favorite part, choosing the front cover. Simply click here to get started. We have a huge library of high-quality images to choose from. Just type in a keyword relevant to your project. Let's try galaxy. Well, I really like this image, so let's go with it. Hit Select and Continue. We can also crop our image until it looks just right. There, perfect. Now we can just hit Crop and Save. Notice how we can see a live preview of our book as we work? Our next step is to work on the back cover. We can start off by typing in a summary of our work. Just keep it under 1,200 characters. I already have an outline which I can simply copy and paste here. Next, I can bold out or italicize certain words and align the text as I want. Also, be sure to enter a short description of your writing career down here. Just a little something to help readers know a bit more about you. Anything under 350 characters would work great. Lastly, you can upload a photo of yourself on the back cover. I always make sure to crop any photograph I upload so that it looks professional and on point. Of course, uploading a photograph is only optional. With the back cover complete, let's make our book more discoverable. Select the language of your work, the general category that it falls in, and of course, type in a few relevant keywords. For example, my work is a space adventure, so I can enter 3 to 4 keywords which can help readers find my work. Now comes the moment of truth, uploading a PDF of your manuscript. Simply click here and locate your work on your computer. Next, click Open. While uploading the manuscript, I highly recommend you check out our convenient one-page guideline document to make sure your manuscript is well formatted. Trust me, your readers will thank you for it. The last step is to add your details. This includes your name, email address, physical address, zip code, city, and country. After adding in your date of birth and phone number, please click the checkbox to confirm that you have read and agree to our publishing agreement. And finally, select Yes, I want to publish now. Congratulations! Your book project has been submitted to the editorial team for review. You should expect an email from us in 1 to 2 days to inform you about our decision. If your book is accepted and no changes are necessary, we will be glad to proceed with the book's publication immediately. You can share your book with readers via email or social media. You can also choose to market your book. We provide authors with a number of marketing options to choose from. Also, authors can order printed copies of their work. And that's how you use our simple online book creation tool to design, publish, and promote your work.